Assalamualaikum Wanyung Hamnida Yogi Ocean Gusul Wanyung Hamnida Welcome here Chonin Usman Ibnida Chonin Pakistan Eswas Ibnida Chonin Hangu Gurul Payu Esuyo I am Usman, I am from Pakistan and I am learning Korean language Chalchin Naishunayo How are you? Chokona Donayun good or better. Nevertheless, this is my day 10 of Korean language speaking challenge and in this day I have an ayah from Quran Majid, but before going ahead I have a little question. Igimoya, and as usual a little hint, Igon Hangulo Doin Pyonjia. This is a Korean letter. Ajushiwo, very easy. So Surah Al-Infitar 82 ayah number 6 is Ingan Dhulio Kajang Unhairu O Shin Chunim Uro Butio Musi O New Hyrule You Hawk Hatna New Hatna New. Kindly forgive me for any mistakes in pronunciation as I am only learning Korean language. Nevertheless, this ayah means, O mankind, what has deceived you concerning your most gracious Lord? इंसान किस चीज़ ने तुझे अपने बहुत ही रब करीम से धोखे में डाल रखा है? किस चीज़ ने तुझे धोखे में डाल रखा है अपने रब करीम से, ग्रेशियस किस्म के लॉर्ड से, ग्रेशियस लॉर्ड से? In this ayah in Korean language, Ingandul means humans, Unhai means grace, Kajang means most, the greatest, and this is from my side on day 10 of Korean language speaking challenge. And okay, we will meet next time. Annyeonggi gasyo, Chulgan Shigan dosyo. Have a nice time. Goodbye.